Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. My name is fkostatutorials and welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to be showing you guys how to boost FPS in Roblox in 2023. This time, I'm going to in recording in Windows 11 edition. Yeah, pretty sure you're using this, so yeah. Before the video starts, guys, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel, and all that good stuff, and let's get started. So what you guys need: Roblox Studio, Roblox Player. I'm gonna go to on my previous tutorial from Windows 10. I'm gonna be going to doing in Windows 11. If you have a Windows 11, it's free for you guys, so you can update it if you can install Windows 11. If you have a PC with Windows 11 user, so it's gonna be easy to use. And yeah, so let's get started. And yeah, also share with any friends whenever guys to subscribe for more tutorials, and let's get started. Go to the Google Chrome and make sure guys, link in the description. This D for client app settings here. This D for my mind right now, so you can do this. Just copy on it, copy, cut, copy, or Control-C, Control-V, and all that good stuff. Step 2, I'm going to in Roblox Studio. I'm gonna go show you guys my settings, really my best settings ever alive. This D for Roblox Studio, and I'm gonna be going to go show you guys. Click on File, go to Audio Settings. Oh, maybe not. Wait. Studio. I say two of I think say audio settings, but I'm gonna go into in studio settings. Go to the studio settings, click on rendering. Make sure you guys the editor quality level going to in 001. Make sure you guys if you can use rendered CSG. I'm gonna go off position. Shadow bounding boxes. It's same as the off position, and outer frame level 1 is gonna be us only one, and real load access is gonna be in off position. Graphics mode, I'm gonna go to in Vulkan or OpenGL. I'm gonna go to OpenGL this time. Frame rate manager, if you can do one or on or off. I'm gonna go do off, but if you want to try this, just gonna click on. But right now I'm going to use an off position. This different a lot of speedrunning tutorial. The step 3, what you guys need, click on and start button on Windows key. Click on settings. Then what you guys need, click on display. Then what you guys need, click on in graphics. Then click on browse. Have them already on it. Before the graphics settings, just right click on Roblox player. Click on an open file location. Make sure you guys check that this location. Then Control-C. What you guys need, click on browse. What you guys need, click on again the users here, enter for the Roblox one, and I have them these Roblox Player Beta, Roblox Player Launcher. Have them all of these. Just click on it. Make sure you guys there click on in Roblox and Roblox Game Client. I'm going to use in these two ones. If you want to change the default, if you can want to an optimization on Windows games, I'm going to put in and turn on position. Click on graphics back. Go to the end of Roblox. Click on options. Make sure you guys using in cheap. Make sure you guys using high performance GPU, GeForce RTX. Right now, if you can use GTX or RTX, I'm pretty sure I got a new PC for what RTX 720. So yeah, do not check, don't use optimization for Windows games. So click on save. Do the same one, high performance. Click on save. The next step, go to the search on Windows 11. If you don't have them, just go just turn on it. Click on taskbar settings and you can use search. Go back on it. Click on the search button. Click on in control panel. Go to search, type power. Click on power options. I don't use any of these. I'm going to use in high performance. If you want to change never, it's awesome. Exit out. What you guys need, guys, just download it and on Mediafire for client settings and stuff in the description right here. Client app settings. I'm gonna go to try again. Click on open file location again. Client settings. Make sure you guys make file client settings like me, capital C and capital S. Click on it, then drag the client app settings. I'm gonna go show you guys how. What you guys need, right click open file location. Click on open file location. Make sure you guys click on new for Windows 11. Click on folder, and I'm gonna be going to in client settings. Go to in client settings. I have them of the. I have them this. Settings is S and a capital C and capital S as these two T's here. So I have them already on that file. Now click on it and F5. Click on it. Make sure you guys Make sure you guys Make sure you guys going to drag this JSON file. There we go. That's pretty much it. Let's go to play the game. As you can see here, Shift and F5. This is the final step. There we go. This is the for 400 and 300 FPS. Make sure guys, if you want to do this on graphics mode, click on in manual. Want to do this if you want to low quality, there he is. A little bit 500 FPS from a Tower of Hell. I'm gonna test it out. 400 and 300 FPS. Kind of look a little bit good. And yeah, 300 and 400 FPS is and working for Tower of Hell. Maybe as same as FPS. 300 as same as the 300 and 400 FPS running as Roblox on Tower of Hell. I'm gonna test jumping in Tower of Hell. Okay, let's go checking it. Shift and F5. It works for like on 100 and 200 FPS. It's gonna almost like 200 or 300 FPS in the game.
Lots of frozen, seeing pixels in slow-mo in a weightless motion.
There we go, guys. That's for today, guys. This is for how to boost FPS in Roblox without FPS unlocker. There's 11 edition. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel, and all that good stuff. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, everybody.